Trader Joe's, I would quit my day job, and I would be just, you know, Mr. Butterscotch.
100%
Syrup.
organic turnips.
Yeah, wouldn't that be something? The lake gets all its water from the creek, so we then started to do this watershed restoration project upstream from the lake. So that is, we've plugged a diversion ditch up on Siberia Creek where they had it go away from the lake, so they dried it out for their horses and cattle. So we plugged that up with some of the dirt from the berms, and then they've taken the rest of the dirt from the berms and just kind of spread it out back where the dirt originally was piled up from, right? So now it's back to the flat. And then we're gonna ditch the creek itself, naturally flowed right close to these rocks. Yeah, that looks good. Like a crow. We get a little bit of snow, and you can see how I have a big. Feed you some really tasty winter cress.
He was gonna feed that to you anyway. But some of them are like super stressed.
This one looks good. Oh, look at the flower on this one. This one's got a good flower.
Yeah, so I'm trying to toss some water on them before.
This is so cool, guys and gals. For me to see this is a 40-year dream. Yeah.
Damn, I was only 9 years old. I was only 9.
Yeah, you were 9 years old?
Yeah.
Okay, that dates me.